Hi, Juju and Clark. Congratulations on your wedding day. Sorry kayo wala ko dira para mo attend, but hopefully next year makauli ko and makabawi ko. God bless you both on your new journey. I hope and pray and wishing you guys full of love and happiness together. Enjoy your wedding day, and I love you guys so much.
Hi, Jewel. Mo na jud ni siya, no? So, happy kay ko na mo na jud ni inyong day ni Clark, and best wishes and happiness also, and enjoy your day. So, welcome to the married club, and one thing I want to say is happy spouse is a happy life. Yeah, so enjoy your day, Jewel. Miss you, love you. Bye.
Hi Jules! Just wanted to say congratulations ninyo ni Clark sa inyong wedding. Nag-andam or naghimo lang ko aning video just in case di ko maka-attend sa inyong wedding. Well, welcome to the married life. And I wish nothing but the best for both of you in your marriage. Always support each other. Lots of patience. Nganong nag-advise man ko nga dugay naman kay mo ni Clark, so I don't think I need to give you advice because I know you guys had a good relationship ever since. So anyways, congratulations, and I'm sorry ko ka-attend, but I really hope to see you soon. Matag makabisita ka na ko dere. That as si Clark, of course. And masuroy ta mo. But yeah, congratulations. I'm very happy for you guys.
Hi Jules, congratulations on your wedding day. I'm really happy and excited for you for your new journey in life, and I apologize for not being there since I already explained I won't be there on your wedding day. And yep, even though wala ko there, I would like still to greet you, and I hope for a long-lasting relationship with your partner. And like magpasensyahay lang. Like paspas lang yung panahon, kaya I'm so happy na atong friends or atong circle kay pangkasal na, like in a long-term relationship or na yung mga anak in a happy family. And nanata sa point na we're growing and maturing, and good luck on your next journey in life. And yep, mga to. Bye.
Hi, Ju and Clark. Congrats on the wedding. I wish you a lifetime of happiness and take care of each other. Always respect each other. Be patient with each other. And I hope you learn from the love that your parents both showed to you and shared to you. And more babies for the barkada. And I wish we're all there to celebrate with you. But bawi na lang once makauli og Pilipinas. And I know that you have already lived together, but it's different when it's already bound with the love of Christ. Make God always the center of your relationship. And if ever problems arise, learn to run to God and ask for guidance and protection for the marriage, okay?
Hi, Jules! Take 3 na gyud ni. So, sige, nagpangasaba si Tina kay palpak yun akong gipangsan na video. Dili na niya makita. So, anyway, congratulations on your wedding day. Congratulations ninyo ni Clark. And at last, ang atong gi-wish pag-college na unta atong heart malipay na gyud. So, mo na gyud ni. And I hope that you are very happy, you are truly, genuinely happy, and always remember nga narami imong friends. We got your back always, bisan lagyo na taron. To be honest, wala na kay bawasan ato ubang friends kay outdated jud ko dire. So, bisan wala mi dira, nagyud gihapon among support. And I just want to say that we love you so much. And one shot and one call away, Rami.
Hi, Jules. Happy wedding day for today. I wish you all the best for your wedding, Jules, and with your partner also, Clark. Bisag wala pa ako nakakita saya in person, but hopefully magkita ta ninyo soon. And I'm so sorry I can't make it on your wedding day. Welcome to marriage life soon. Yes, just go with the flow. Just be happy on your wedding day for tomorrow. I wish you all the best with love. Bye, Jules. Love from Switzerland.
Hi, Jules. Congrats. Wishing you nothing but a lifetime of love and happiness. Best wishes. Amping Mondohan ni Clark. God bless.
Hello, Julesky and Clark. Congratulations sa inyong wedding. Mauna gyud ni. Oh my gosh. Char lang. Hilak na. First of all, Julesky, aka my BDO girl. Since sugod ninyong text pa lang ni Clark katong ni-chika ka na ko sa banzel nga na kay ka text nga taga-ormok. Kasi may magtuon na mo sa kung ano ni mo ron mapakasla no pag ito ni mo tagad pag first, diba? And then makahappy lang kay kanang I have been there since the beginning sa inyong relationship. Dakan kay ups and downs, of course. And then pero naabot jud mo diri. Like naabot jud mo sa finish line, and then happy ko ninyong duha. Chana. Nagpa-music pag kung walang bilyon ni TJ wa na. Naka-survive ra mo, and then abot na gyud mo diri, pero di pa jud ni diri mas stop kay next chapter na mo, which is as husband and wife. Dito ko to kana mag-start na sa another journey mo nang makasad kay di ko ka-attend ganahan kay kung pwede pa lang mulupad, pero na stuck up in yung Canadian girl diri. Anyway, kana daghan pa mong agian, and ganahan ko makaibaw mo na bisag layo ko or kami ni Kyle, whatever. Naagya po ni mo listen or mo advice man gani, and ambot ko maayo ba ko anak, pero try na ko. Ayaw gud mo ka nang give up sa each other. Daghan kay itong memories din ako maisa-isa tanan, like kibaw na biya ka itong pag-COVID na nagtutag or muk nga 1 month na dito nang stuck up sa nagsiglaag, nagsigian, and then daghan sa kito kapariha like mga July babies at mga biochems juicy. So say mag-chika about sa gift na magkapariha ka idea, pero to anniversary doon yun. So my gosh, no, kasi makahappy lang yun kayo. And then daghan pa kay ko ma-share na memories para basin maabot ng 1 hour akong video greeting, no. So ako mag-try kong compile sa mga videos na to, and then gimingaw na ko ni mo Julesky. Magkahinom sa ko nga mo say mag-third wheel ko ninyo, no, kay LDR meta. And then yeah, happy kay ko more state ra gyud to magipantanaw nga basketball nga duwa Julesky, and then atong gipang adtog Ormoc. Oo na gyud. And then Clarky alaga ito na mo miga kana amping like sa pag-amping namo niya. Kanang i-enjoy ninyo ang married life, and di kayo siglalis, okay? Magsinabtan na yun. Pero nagsalita sa kami. Pero kanang laban lang yun. Kaya pang forever na ninyo. Kanang thankful sa kung naabot ka sa life ni Julesky. Dagan kay kaagay si Julesky sa iyang life. Ibaw na ka na. And then thank you kay naaka para niya, then imo siyang alagaan na forever. And then ganasag ko how faithful kay mo sa each other, and then nakita ko din ako ang love kay ninyo isa-isa. Kanang sa wish na ko ninyo mag-grow pa mo sa each other, kanang like with God as the center of your relationship, and then wish na ko inyong happiness
happiness, of course, as a married couple, since you deserve it sa kapod and TJ. And then, I deserve jud ninyo ang happiness. Promise. Kanang ayusan ninyo kalimting and love each other every day. Kanang kailangan jud siya pasensya. Based sa reels na kung kita. So, sending all my love and best wishes diri, and hopefully makalaag na po ta soon. Gimingaw na ko sa Cebu, ngayon ako ni Medjugorski at mga spontaneous na pero this day is about you and Clark. So,